Are you dying to quit smoking? This year, 430,000 people will quit by dying. Right now, we can easily help you quit smoking.
Whoa! Holy crap, that scared the crap out of me.
Yeah, I bet you really felt it up there.
Yeah, I was upstairs when it happened. What would you say that was?
Probably about like a 4.5.
That lasted a while.
Yeah, that was a long one.
Wow, look at the pool. It's still sloshing.
Yeah. Yeah, it's funny. I just wrapped up the pole or the hose.
You were working on the hose.
Yeah.
And then the water started sloshing. Did you feel the earthquake?
I didn't feel it right immediately, no.
But you just saw the water.
But then I was hearing the water, and then when I stood up, it kind of felt like, what's going on here? You know?
Oh.
And then I realized, whoa, things are, there's an earthquake, because I see everything kind of shaking around a little bit.
Wow, the water's still moving. I can't get this open. There we go.